In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Google Chrome to Taskbar on Windows 11. Pinning an app to your taskbar keeps it one click away, right where you need it, every time you use your PC. This is especially handy for Chrome, since it's probably one of the apps you open most often. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it with a few tips so everything is clear. First, find the Google Chrome app and right-click it. You can do this from several familiar spots. If you have a Chrome shortcut on your desktop, just hover your mouse over the Chrome icon and right-click. If it's not on your desktop, open the Start menu and look for Chrome either in the Pinned section at the top or by selecting All Apps. You can also type Chrome into the Start search bar. When it appears in the results, right-click it there. The key part is that you're right-clicking the Google Chrome application itself, not a website shortcut or a file that happens to open in Chrome. Next, click Pin to Taskbar. In Windows 11, this option might appear directly in the menu, or you may see it under a more submenu. Both are normal. The moment you choose Pin to Taskbar, you should notice the Chrome icon appear along the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. If you see an option that says Unpin from Taskbar instead, that means Chrome is already pinned, and you don't need to do anything else. Finally, close Chrome to confirm. Click the X in the top right corner of the Chrome window to close it completely. A running app on the taskbar will usually have a small line or highlight beneath it. When you close Chrome, that highlight will disappear, but the icon itself should remain. If the icon stays visible on the taskbar after Chrome is closed, that confirms it's successfully pinned. If it disappears, repeat the right-click and pin to taskbar action to make sure it sticks. Also, if your taskbar is crowded, look carefully toward the center or the overflow area. Windows, the 11th of May. Group or shift icons when space is tight, but the pinned Chrome icon will still be there. That's all you need to do. With Chrome pinned, you can launch it instantly anytime, and it will stay in place across reboots and user sessions. This small tweak saves clicks and keeps your workspace consistent, so the browser you rely on is always exactly where you expect it.